howtothomas.info is marketed as an online store offering attractive products, large discounts, and premium-looking branding that can make the deal seem difficult to ignore. But the real question is, should you buy anything before watching this? Now, to be fair, not every unfamiliar online store is automatically fake. Some newer businesses simply have not built a long public reputation yet. What it does well, the website may look professional. Modern e-commerce templates can create a polished shopping experience. The products can look attractive. Professional photos are designed to create a premium impression where the concerns start appearing. A polished website does not guarantee trust. This is the biggest issue. Professional-looking websites are easier than ever to create. Heavy discounts can create artificial urgency. Constant limited time offers can sometimes be a warning sign. Product photos do not guarantee real-world quality. Marketing images may not always match what customers receive. So, should you buy anything from howtothomas.info? Short answer, proceed carefully. There may not be enough information to immediately call it fake, but buyers should avoid assuming attractive branding automatically means quality and reliability. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.